Before this video starts, I just wanted to give a big shout out to Chloe because she actually recorded this video for me and this is her parrot. It's not my inventory, so yeah, big shout out to her.
What are you doing?
Okay guys, that's the end. I know it was short and I'm sorry, but make sure to go enter my giveaway on a frog. So basically all you have to do is like, subscribe and comment your username, and that's basically it. So yeah. Also, once again, big shout out to Chloe for doing this. And that is basically the end of the video. I love you all so much and thank you so much for watching. We're on the road to 200 subscribers. Hope to get there. Bye!